Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 6. Today is our English grammar lecture, lecture number 2, which is related to pronoun and its kinds. In the previous lecture, we have studied about the noun and its types. I hope that you will understand noun and its all types, and you will practice some example of related to noun and its type. Okay, today we learn about the pronoun and its some kinds. Okay, pronoun. First is pronoun. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun. It's mean that we use a pronoun. We use a pronoun instead of a noun. Okay, what is noun? I already told you about that. Noun is any place, person, things, or any name. Okay, or any name. So we use pronoun instead of noun. We use pronoun in the place of noun. It is a word which is used in place of noun. For example, see the example. Ali is my neighbor. For example, I told you that you can write a letter or you can write an essay about Ali personality. Okay, about Ali personality. In all sentence, why you cannot use the word Ali? For example, Ali is a boy. Ali is my neighbor. Ali is a good boy. We use Ali. We use he instead of Ali. It's mean that we use pronoun. The pronoun is he. Okay, pronoun is he. We use pronoun instead of a noun. In the first example, Ali is my neighbor. Ali is noun. Okay, Ali is noun. And in the second, he is an honest man. He is an honest man. He is a pronoun. He used instead of Ali. So here the he is a pronoun of noun. He is a pronoun of noun. We can use he instead of Ali. I hope that you will understand the pronoun. This is very simple. You can only keep in mind that we can use a pronoun instead of noun. We can use a pronoun instead of noun. हम noun की जगह pronoun को use करते हैं. Next, its kinds of pronoun. There are 9 different kinds of pronoun. There are 9 different kinds of pronoun, or you can say that kinds of noun can be divided into number 1, personal pronoun. Number 2, possessive pronoun. Number 3, relative pronoun. Number 4, interrogative pronoun. Number 5, emphatic pronoun. Number 6, reflexive pronoun. Number 7, demonstrative pronoun. Number 8, indefinite pronoun. And number 9, distributive pronoun. These all nine are kinds of pronoun. Okay, note down its 9 types. The 9 kinds of pronoun are personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, emphatic pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, and distributive pronoun. I will describe all kinds of pronoun one by one. First, we will discuss about the personal pronoun in detail. What is personal pronoun? Personal pronouns are used for people, places, things, and ideas. Personal pronouns are used for peoples, places, things, and ideas. It's in an easy way you can that you can keep in mind that they are only we can only use them for only people's, places, things, and idea. But we can here like people, places, and things and idea. We can here use a pronoun. This is not a noun. Okay, people, places, things, and idea. This is not a noun. This is a pronoun. We can use people instead. We can use sorry a pronoun in people, places, things, and idea. Okay. Personal pronoun can further divided into subject pronoun and object pronoun. Personal pronoun can further divided into subject pronoun and object pronoun. What is subject pronoun? Subject pronoun are the who or what the sentence is about. Subject pronoun are the who or what the sentence is about. Subject pronoun are said to be in nominative case. We can use or you can say it as a nominative case like I, we, you, he, she, they, it. Okay. I, we, you. These are all subject pronoun. These all are subject pronoun which comes in the personal pronoun. Okay. These all are subject pronoun which comes in the personal pronoun. I again repeat the subject pronoun. Subject pronoun or the who or what the sentence is about. They are also set as a nominative case like I, we, you, they. In subject, what is subject in a sentence? First of all, you will know about the subject. What is subject? Subject. For example, I will give you example. I will repeat the example. Ali is my neighbor. Ali is my neighbor. Here, the Ali is a noun and also is a object. He is a subject. Ali noun भी है और यहाँ subject भी है. Okay. Ali is my neighbor. Here the Ali is a noun and also a subject. So we use in subject pronoun, we use instead of Ali, we use I, we, you, he, she, they, it. We only use he. Instead of Ali, we only use he. We use only he. And this come in a personal pronoun, or you say that this is a also comes in the subject pronoun. Okay, next is object pronoun. Object pronoun are the who or what acted upon. Who or what acted upon. In easy way, you can उर्दू में आप कह सकते हैं वो जो जिस पे काम एक्ट कर रहा हो. ओके, और द हु और व्हाट एक्टेड अपॉन. देयर इज अ लिटिल बिट डिफरेंस बिटवीन द सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन एंड ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन. Subject pronoun who or what the sentence is about, and object pronouns who or what acted upon. Who or what acted upon. The in subject pronoun they can be set as a nominative case, and in object pronoun you can say that it can be said to be in the objective case. For example, me, us, you, or you can in easy way you can that they come in passive voice. So we use these words: me, us, you, him, her, them. Me, us, you, him, her, them, etc. They all come in the objective pronoun. This is you can in easy way you cannot that this is a come in the you can use these words in the passive voice. Okay. I hope that you will understand the subject pronoun and object pronoun. This is only a little difficult. I again repeat the subject pronoun, object pronoun. Subject pronoun are those in which who or what. The sentences about object pronoun are the who or what in which it is acted upon. Subject pronoun are said to be nominative case. Object pronoun are to be said in the objective case. The example of subject pronoun are I, we, he, they, she, they, it, and the example of object pronouns me, us, you, him, her, them. I hope this time you will understand. And if you have any query regarding this lecture, you can ask at the end of this lecture. Okay, next, come to the next slide. This is the second kind of pronoun. Second kind of pronoun, which is possessive pronoun. This is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns show possessions, belongings, or ownerships. They show possessions, belongings, or ownership. अगर उर्दू में आपको मैं बताऊं कि possessive pronoun आपकी मलकियत को शो करते हैं. They show your possessions, your belongings, or your ownerships. Okay. The examples, like, see the example. This is his book. This is his book. Here his show the possessive pronoun. They show is ownership. They show is ownership. This is his book. This watch is mine. This watch is mine. Here mine show the possessions. So mine is a, in this sentence, mine or and his is a possessive pronoun. Mine and his is a possessive pronoun. I again repeat possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun show your possessions, your belongings, and ownership. Possessions, three words. Okay, in possession pronoun you can learn three words: your possessions, belongings, or ownership. उर्दू में अगर हम कहें आपकी मलकियत को ये शो करती है. The possessive pronouns are, some possessive pronouns are mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, and theirs. These all are example of possessive pronoun. Or you say that these all are possessive pronoun. For example, this is his book. This is his book. His show the possessions. His show the ownership. So his comes in the possessive pronoun. And this watch is mine. This watch is mine. Here mine show the possessions. So mine comes in the possessive pronoun. Very simple. Okay. Come to the next slide. The third kind of pronoun. The third kind of pronoun is relative pronoun. Relative pronouns. The word relative mean relate. Okay, the word relative mean relate, link, join. The word relative mean relate, link, or join. A relative pronoun that refers or relate to some noun. A relative pronoun that refers or relates to some noun which is going before, which is called its antecedent. What is antecedent? The antecedent relates to some noun which is going before, which is called its antecedent. Okay, for example, that. The example of relative pronoun is that, which, who. These are those words which link to or you can say which link two noun, or you can say that which link two sentence. Okay, see the example. Example: I met Usman. I met Usman. Who? Here who is a relative pronoun because he joined two noun or two sentence. Who had just returned. मैं उस्मान से मिला जो अभी वापस आया. जो जो क्या बना है, जो के ये वो जो है जो के दो सेंटेंस को आपस में मिला रहा है. द वर्ड हु कैन ज्वाइन द two sentence or two noun. I again repeat the relative pronoun. A relative pronoun which relates to some noun, which relates to some noun, and the antecedent is the noun which relates to some, the relative pronoun that relates to some noun going before, which is called its antecedent. For example, that the example of relative pronoun is that, which, who, etc. I hope that you will understand this. So come to the next slide. Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. What is meant by interrogative? When you listen the word interrogative, it means that the questions. So yeah, the questions. The sentence which is related to questions, and the or you can say that the sentence in which the question is asked. वो सेंटेंस जिसमें आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा होगा वो आपका इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन में आता है. इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन आर दोस in which something is being asked. Okay, in interrogative pronoun, in interrogative pronoun, something is being asked you. Something is being asked you, and it must it must show an interrogative mark. It must show an interrogative mark at the end of the sentence. What is interrogative mark? Interrogative mark mean the question mark. Okay, the question mark. In interrogative pronoun, something is being asked, and it must be shown an interrogative mark. And where the interrogative mark lies, it lies at the end of a sentence. It lies at the end of the sentence. These are the word used as an interrogative pronoun are who, whom, which, what, or whose. Who, whom, which, what, or whose, etc. Example: who are you? This is a question. Who are you? And you see in this example the question mark. The question mark lies at the end of the sentence. Who are you? This is question. तुम कौन हो? This is a question. So this come in. Who are you? This come in interrogative pronoun. The most easiest type of pronoun is interrogative pronoun. Okay. The symbol used in interrogative pronoun is question mark. I again repeat it. The sign which is used in interrogative pronoun at the end of a sentence is question mark. Next example is, which book do you want? Which book do you want? You see this example, which book do you want? In this example, at the end there is a question mark. At the end there is a question mark. At the end there is a question mark. So when you see that in the end of the sentence there is a question mark, it comes to your mind that this is a interrogative pronoun. This is an interrogative pronoun. I again repeat the interrogative pronoun. If anyone have query about interrogative pronoun, I again repeat, must listen this interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun are those in which something is being asked. In which something is being asked. Interrogative pronoun are those in which something is being asked or it show an or it must. The word must mean lazmi or it must show an interrogative pronoun. Interrogative in interrogative mark, any question is being asked or any something question or type of question is being asked or it must be an interrogative mark. The interrogative mark means question mark. In daily life you can use the word question mark, but in grammar we can say that interrogative mark. Okay, interrogative means question mark. Okay, we use an interrogative mark or question mark at the end of a sentence. Okay, we can use a interrogative mark at the end of a sentence, and the interrogative pronoun are who, whom, which, what, or whose, etc. See the example. The first example is who are you? Who are you? See in the example, there is a question mark or interrogative mark at the end of the sentence. There is a question mark or interrogative mark at the end of a sentence. So through the question mark, you can, it comes to your mind that this is a interrogative pronoun. This is interrogative pronoun. So it is very simple. Okay, students. The second example is which book do you want? Which book do you want? In this in the end of the sentence there is a question mark. So it naturally comes into your mind that this is interrogative pronoun. This is, and it also use the which. It also asks a question. It also asks a question. In both example they ask a question. So this is interrogative pronoun. I hope that you will understand all the lecture. If you have any query regarding this lecture, you can type a question. Don't raise hand. I will only answer those questions which are typed in chat. Any question? Class 6. Any question regarding this lecture? Interrogative. Interrogative. Okay. When you listen the word interrogative, it's come into your mind that this is a question mark. Yeah, this must be a question. Okay, when the word is interrogative, yeah, when you listen a word interrogative, it's come into mind that this is a question. In interrogative mark we use a question mark or interrogative mark. Okay, in grammar we use the word interrogative mark, but in our daily life we can use the word question mark. Okay, we can use the word question mark. Okay, object noun. Object noun is who or what is acted upon. Who or what is acted upon. The word which we use in passive voice like me, yours, him, her, these all are object. अगर उर्दू में आपको मैं बताऊं, वो चीज जिस पे काम कर रहे हो, वो चीज जिस पे काम कर रहे हो. Subject pronoun is who or what is about. Who or what the sentence is about. Like the word we used in the subject pronoun is I, we, you, he. These all are those words which we use in pronoun, which we use in pronoun instead of noun. Which we, or you can say that these are those words which we use in personal pronoun instead of noun. If you have any issue recording the screen, it's mean that there is some problem with your internet connection. Any query class 6? You can also ask questions related to noun or pronoun. Good. If you have any, not any questions, you don't have. You have only 10 minutes left. स्टूडेंट पूछ रहे हैं नेगेटिव, कोई भी नेगेटिव हमने यूज नहीं की, कोई भी काइंड हमने नेगेटिव नहीं पढ़ी. I hope that all the students must understand this lecture. I hope that there is no query about this lecture. Subject. Subject pronoun. Subject pronoun is who or what is being used. Like they are also set as a nominative case. Subject pronoun are also set as a nominative case. They are a kind of personal pronoun. Okay, they are a kind of personal pronoun. Subject pronoun is a kind of personal pronoun. The word like I, we, you, they, these all are subject pronoun. Class 6, don't raise hand. If you have any query regarding this lecture, you can type a question. I will only answer those questions which are typed in chat. So don't waste your time for raising hand. Class 6, you don't have any question? Okay, then the meeting is over. Goodbye.